Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about how you can fix transaction failed error in MetaMask slash Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. So this can happen due to a number of reasons. First and foremost being your weak or unstable internet connection. So the first thing you'd want to do is go ahead and make sure you have a good, stable internet connection. If that doesn't work, go ahead and simply restart your wallet or your browser or device, and sometimes that can resolve the temporary glitch. Another way you can do this is by ensuring you have the updated version of MetaMask, because sometimes if it's not updated, it'll be unable to go ahead and continue your transaction. And then last but not least, wait for confirmation. Blockchain transactions take time to process, so be patient and allow sufficient time for confirmation. Hopefully, these methods are a very general troubleshooting method which can go ahead and fix your transaction failed error in MetaMask or Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.